So welcome back to my channel. I have been away for a bit. I think it's something like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I'm not really sure how long, but I'm gonna update you guys on what's been happening while I've been away from YouTube. I have filmed like a majority of the stuff that like I've done or like what's happened or anything important. So I'll insert clips and stuff while I'm talking about it. But just while I'm doing my makeup and getting ready, I'm gonna talk to you guys. So this morning I got up at like 6 and I was just like sitting there watching YouTube and I was like, you know what? I really miss YouTube and like I want to go back to it and stuff, and because I miss doing it and I miss filming and miss going out and doing stuff, so here we are. I'm back. Not really. Well, for one video. It's school holidays next week, so I probably will have another video. I'm not sure, probably another vlog. I just know that while I'm not doing YouTube on like a schedule, it probably will just be vlogs. I'll update you guys. But I also noticed that I have 97 subscribers. That means I'm 3 away from 100, and I was like, oh my god, that is so crazy. So if you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe and try and get me to 100. I'd love that to happen. I'd love to get to 100. Now, let's talk about the things that's happened. I don't know if this is gonna be in the right order or anything. I know I got my nails done the other day when I was at the shops. I bought an Apple Watch actually from Apple. I love it. It's probably the best thing that I've ever bought. Like I can go in and there's all these apps and my notifications come up. Oh, I love it. It's so cool. Oh, it's so pretty. I bought an Apple Watch. You guys are here to unbox it with me. I've had it in the bag walking around the shops for like an hour and I was like, I want to get home to open it so I could show you guys. I feel like that was not right. Babe, why did that not work? It didn't come off. It's just to like pull there, but I did and it didn't do anything. Oh. There we go. There we go.
Yeah.
Whoa. Then this is the watch. Whoa, it's in like a little case. I feel like you guys don't know this. I wanted an Apple Watch for ages. That's why I bought one. Small or medium, or the medium to large. I think I would the small to medium one. I'm just gonna quickly put it together and then I'm gonna need to use my phone to set it up. So now that I've sort of like got it like literally on my wrist, I need to go set it up. I really love my Apple Watch. I bought it probably like 2 weeks ago. I also got new shoes. These are my babies. Oh my god, I love them so much. But I was literally in my last vlog, I was talking about how much I wanted to get them. I know, I was just like, yeah, I want to get them because I don't really have anything else, even though I did find other white shoes that I had, but I really wanted to get them and I got them. So these are not the original ones. These are the new like updated versions of like just the original Air Forces, but they're the Nike React. I'll leave a link in the description. But when I bought them, the person literally said that these have only been out for like 2 days. Like this is the first that's the first day that they had them on the shelf. I got them. But it's been so hard to try and find just the original ones in Australia. And I was like, well, I know I wanted to get the original ones, but I was like, well, I might as well just get like the new updated ones. Another thing I did while I was away was I redid my brother's room. I sort of got like new bedding and like side tables and like new like furniture and stuff for his bedroom. I know I have clips of that. I'll show you guys what the before and after was, but it looks really pretty. We did like a navy blue and white sheet. And yeah, I know we got a few things for the kitchen. We got new dog bowls and stuff like that, and we also got tablecloth and like placemats and stuff to go on the dining table. Also got new clothes and new winter stuff. Got a video of me like hauling that to you guys, so I'll put that in here. So this is everything that I got today. I'm in my pajamas now from like earlier today. I was definitely not wearing this at the shops, but I'm going to show you guys what I got. So first, this little bra. Either my stuff's from Cotton On or Kmart, and I got this green one as well. I got some undies, just some basic pairs, little top that I thought was really cute. I have one similar to it, but it's in white, and I thought I'd get a black one because I don't have a black one. I also got these track pants. from Cotton On, and they're very soft. This green shirt with the buttons on it again and like a v-neck. I thought that'd be really cute. And then I also got these black pants that are sort of in at the waist and they're wide around the outside. I got those two together actually. And then I got the same as the black pants, but I got them in like a white, like a cream. I've never had white pants before, like a cream before, so I thought, why don't I try it? So I got those ones. I got this like sort of very similar green top that I have, but in like a neutral brown color. And then I also got the skirt. I know this is more like of a winter stuff that I got. I wanted to get a skirt because you can always wear skirts in winter. You could just be a little bit cold, but I really wanted this skirt. It was actually on special for like, it was normally like 15, it was like down to 5, and I thought that's really, really cute, even with like this top that I got. And then I also got this red top. I thought it looked really cute with like some black jeans or blue jeans or something like that. And then I also got just some white socks, blazer type of thing. I keep seeing it. It was at Kmart and I kept seeing it, and like a lot of people are wearing them at the moment. I'm like, it looks really pretty. So I haven't actually tried that on, but I hope that looks good to me. But I'll show you guys what they all look like now. The reason why I'm not really wearing anything like too spectacular today, or like when we're going out today, I've sort of been like sick this week, and originally it was me and my mum, we're both sick with like the same sickness. I thought that it was coronavirus, so we isolated for a couple of days and then we went and got tested. It literally hurt so much. They have to like put this like swab thing in the back of your throat, and then they put it in one like nostril and then in the other. I was not expecting it to hurt. Like, well, I was expecting it to hurt, but like not as much as it actually did. But it's better to get tested, not be like worried or like stressed or having to isolate when you don't have to. Like, you might as well just get the test done. So that's what me and mum did, and then the results came back negative. I'm fine, I'm just probably have like a cold or something. But if you guys have any of the symptoms, make sure that you go and get it checked out, no matter how scared you are of getting the test or anything. So we've got Nathan over here, but this is Nathan's hair update since we cut it. It's grown out a little bit more, grown out a fair bit, and yeah. I liked it, but I didn't like it the last time I did it. A bit short, but yeah, I'm just doing a little bit of makeup today, nothing too crazy. I don't really think there's anything else that I've done. It's been staying home and like going to school. Nathan got an Apple Watch as well as I did. I don't know if I actually ever told you guys, but I was really wanting to get a necklace that had an N on it for Nathan. I wanted to get a necklace with his name on it or something like that to represent him. Bought it for me. I really wanted one. Today we're going to have Taco Bell for lunch. Oh no, I was like, babe, do you know what I feel like? He said, what? And I said, Taco Bell. I said, do you know what I feel like that too? Anyway, so yeah, me and Nathan are gonna have Taco Bell for lunch today. So this is my makeup, and I'm gonna get going now. I'm just leaving my hair out to let it to dry naturally, because I don't really have the energy to blow dry or anything like that, and it's not good to always have heat on your hair. And I'm just chilling out today, nothing too special. So now we are going to Taco Bell. We're just gonna go and eat it at home because I'm not feeling the best right now. Oh my god, that lady was looking at me. So me and Nathan are home now. We've been home now for a little bit. We had our lunch and then I sort of like fell asleep because I was feeling the best. I'm just chilling at home by myself. I know I'm not really doing anything for the rest of the night. Sorry guys, I was just editing this video and I realized I didn't film an outro, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and there should be 2 or 3 more coming soon. I have filmed them and I just got to edit them, but stay tuned and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!